So we have set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B is equals to 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the dot means it continues to 30. So now if a number is selected at random from A union B, find the probability that it is either a prime factor of 24 or a multiples of 5. That means before you do anything here, you must know A union B. So in set, we said union is combination of two or more sets. That is, you combine all the elements in A and B, but don't write any number twice. So that means A union B will be equals to combine all the numbers here, but don't write any number twice. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 21, so like that. So combine everything together. So A union B now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this is A union B. Now find the probability that it is either a prime factor of 24 or a multiples of 5. Remember, probability is number of items over total outcome. So the total outcome here is count all the numbers in A union B. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that means the total outcome here is 16. So total number we have inside A union B is 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So just to confirm again. So that means number of universal, that is total, here is equals to 16. So anything you do here must be divided by 16. Now probability that it is a prime factor of 24. So what are the factors of 24 first? All numbers that can divide 24 without remainder. So 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. So 5 times, so nothing will give us 24. So 6 times 4, 24. 7, 8 times 3, 24. 9, 10, 11, 12 times 2, 24. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, up to 24. So all these numbers are factors of 24, meaning you can divide all these numbers by 24 divided by any of this number will not give you remainder. So any number that is not here is not a factor. So or if you divide, that is 24 divided by 1 will give you 24. So 1 is a factor. 24 divided by 2 will give you 12. 24 divided by 3 will give you 8. 24 divided by 4 will give you 6. 24 divided by 6 will give you 4. Remember, if we say over 5, it will be decimal. 7, 2 is out. So 8. So 9 is out. 10, 11, 12 is there. So 13, 14, 15, like that, up to 24. So now, out of all these factors of 24, which one is a prime factor? Now, a prime number is a number that have two divisor, 1 and itself. Any number that cannot be divided by any other number except 1 and itself is a prime number. So note, 1 is not a prime number, because what number will divide 1 is 1. So, and a prime number must have two divisor, that is 1 and itself. So the lowest prime number we have is 2, and that is the only even number that is prime. So if you have 2, what number can divide 2? 1 and also 2. 1 and itself. So prime number must have two divisor, 1 and itself. Anyone that have more than one and two divisor or less is not a prime. So 1 is not a prime. So 2 is a prime. 3 is a prime. 4 is not a prime. 6 is not a prime. 8 is not a prime. 12 is not a prime. 24 is not a prime. So the prime factors of 24 is 2 and 3. Now, question says, find the probability that it is either a prime factor of 24. And you should know the number is selected from A union B. So we know A union B already. So total is 16. So the prime factor of 24 is 2 and 3. And that is just two numbers. That is 1, 2 over 16. That is over total number in your A union B. So that is probability. Number of items over total outcome. Now, you know it's either or. So I'll do the second one. So either prime factors of 24 or a multiples of 5. So probability of a multiple of 5. Now, so but remember, if the question say prime just factors of 24, that means I will have picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 24. So I will have picked those ones. But prime factors of 24. So the prime factors of 24 are just 2 and 3. That's why we pick two numbers alone. Take note. So prime factors is different from factors. So now factors of or a multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 means any number you multiply by 5 and you get a result. So that is 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. So all these numbers are multiples of 5, meaning 5 will divide them without remainder. So 1 times 5 will give you 5. 2 times 5 will give you 10. 3 times 5 will give you 15. 4 times 5 will give you 20. 5 times 5 will give you 25. 6 times 5 will give you 30. So if you multiply all the natural numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you multiply all this natural number by 5, so you will get a multiples of 5. So 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 5, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. So that is how you can get multiples of a number. So all the multiples of 5 now are these ones. So now check your A union B. So multiples of 5. That is 5, 20, no 10, no 15. So 20. The ones here are the ones we are picking. 20, 25, 30. So how many? We have 4 of it, like that. So that means the multiples of 5 that we have in that A union B is just 4 numbers. So that is 4 out of 36. So that is 4 over 16 out of 16 numbers. Now probability of prime factors of 24, or so either prime factor of 24 or multiples of 5. So all means plus, so that will be 2 over 16 plus 4 over 16. So LCM is 16. So 16 is 16, 1. So 2 times 1, 2. 16 is 16 again, 1. 1 times 4, 4. So 2 plus 4, 6 over 16. So you can reduce 2 here, 3. 2 here, 8. So the answer is 3 over 8 for that question.